I am delighted and excited to share with you that due to you, in the last couple of months, our YouTube channel, Meaningful Life Center, has skyrocketed. And I'm not exaggerating. I'm talking about now we've reached 175,000 subscribers, growing at a pace of 10,000 new subscribers a week. Over 1 million unique views every week. Videos, some of them reaching 500,000, 600,000, 400,000. Over 500,000 watch hours per week. Truth be told, I'm both surprised and not surprised by this. I'm surprised because I've been doing this for a long time. And just to see these numbers are really, can I say, beyond gratifying and humbling. I'm not surprised because this message is not my message. It's a resonating message that reverberates in my inner fiber. And I know that words from the heart enter the heart. So whether you're dealing with personal issues, anger, relationships, sexuality, with more spiritual issues, dreams, where does your soul come from? How to remain calm, how to deal with the different psychological, emotional, and spiritual experiences in life. We have our fears and insecurities. You name it, this channel addresses it. So I want to thank you personally because it's a partnership. It's a partnership. And it's due to you that we are growing in this way, and we're growing together. This message should reach every human being on earth. I firmly believe that. And I firmly believe it's not my message. We are just messengers. We're just a link in a chain. For me, the greatest compliment is when someone tells me, I haven't heard anything new in what you've said. It's always been there. It's resonating within me. You just put it into words. Like Michelangelo said, when he was asked, how do you sculpt those beautiful angels in the marble? And he answered, I see the angels trapped in the marble and I carved and set them free. So thank you. And please let us together continue this growth. Let us reach through a butterfly ripple effect and share with everyone we can reach. Now YouTube is also a partner with us. And interestingly, we received this package from them. And I want to open it right here. I haven't seen it myself. So you're the first to see it together with me. A package we received when we hit the first milestone of 100,000 subscribers. So we received this package. Let's open it together. Okay? I'm unveiling. Here we go. Okay. Comes with a little foam. Oh, wow. A card and a beautiful letter. Let me read it. Congratulations on your subscriber milestone. Here's the letter. The card. Congratulations on your subscriber milestone. We are honored to take part in recognizing your achievement and want your experience to be exceptional. This award was inspected and packaged with great care by Rick. Thank you, Rick. Okay, great. And then in the letter they write, do you remember your first subscriber, your 100th, or your 1,000th subscriber? Chances are you do. And we know you'll definitely remember your 100,000th subscriber. Your fans may have found you while searching YouTube, learned about you through a friend, or maybe you showed up as a recommended video. No matter how they came to your channel, fans stayed and their numbers increased because of your unique voice and the excitement of being part of the growing community that you have established. We are thrilled to see the development of your community and are proud to honor your impressive milestone of reaching 100,000 subscribers with a Silver Creator Award. Congratulations. We know that you have many more stories to share with your community, and we know that your fans can't wait for you to engage and amaze them even more with your commitment and creativity. So keep creating, keep building. We can't wait to see what you'll do next, and we're here to support you along the way. And who knows, when you reach your millionth subscriber, we may just write to you and ask, do you remember your 100,000 subscriber? Yours sincerely, Susan Wachiki, CEO, YouTube. Okay, so let's now unveil the award itself. Here we are. This is what came. Let me open it. Let's see how this works. Okay. So let me do this. Hope you can see it. I'm looking at it for the first time. This is the YouTube award. Let's check it out. Let me read it. Presented to Simon Jacobson and the Meaningful Life Center for passing 100,000 subscribers. YouTube. Here you are. Okay, my friends. So thank you again so much for this. I feel very gratified. I feel gratified by the fact that this message, in my opinion, has the power to transform the world. I love the verse from Isaiah, filling the world with divine knowledge as the waters cover the sea. Let's do this together. Let's continue to grow. Let's share. I'd love to hear your feedback, suggestions, how to get the message out, and literally let us submerge the entire world in the most beautiful water of all, the water of divine knowledge, the water, the knowledge of your soul, of your connection to the transcendent, to be able to reach and become the greatest you can be and beyond, to marry heaven and earth, to kiss the stars and come back to tell about it. Thank you. Be blessed. And I look forward for further developments and further growth as we continue to surge. Thank you.